This automatic filling capping machine is an all-in-one solution that integrates filling and inner plug insertion and capping in a compact design. It features a high-precision ceramic pump for accurate and consistent liquid filling, and a servo-driven capping system that ensures precise torque control without damaging the bottle. Ideal for eye drops, nasal sprays, and other small-volume liquid products, this machine is perfect for laboratories, small batch production, or clean room environments where space is limited and precision is critical.